So the brand new Echo Dot 5th generation has just been released, but how does it sound when it compares to its previous versions? Now it's supposed to be a lot better in sound quality, so we're going to be putting it up against the 4th generation and also the 3rd generation. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. So all of the recordings that you're going to hear are recorded from exactly the same distance with the same mic playing the same track. Let's get started.
Take me in your arms. Take me in your arms. Take me in your arms. We all feel heartache sometimes, yeah. And right now I feel mine. Oh, it's strange to be alone. It's like a tune from long ago. Oh, it's strange to be alone. It's like a tune from long ago.
Okay, so hopefully you've been able to tell the differences between the different speakers. Now, in my opinion, the 4th generation is actually slightly louder than the 5th generation, which was surprising. However, there is a little bit more depth and you do hear extra sounds with the 5th generation. So I think that it's probably the better speaker. But if you want a bit of volume, then that middle one there, that's probably the one that I would go for. However, with the 4th generation, it does sound a little bit more tinny than the 5th generation. And so therefore for bass, you're getting better bass coming from the 5th. But you are losing a little bit of volume, it seems. Certainly, that's what I noticed in these tests. Though we've ruled out the 3rd generation, that's just nowhere near as good as the other two. So let's just give you a little bit more from the 4th and the 5th generations playing exactly the same part of the song.
It's like a tune from the piano. It's like a tune from long ago. You'll be with me all day and night. You'll be with me all day and night.
So without a doubt, you definitely get a better sound quality from the 5th generation. You actually hear more of the instruments. There's sounds that you just don't hear on the 3rd or 4th generation. However, what I would say is that the volume is better on the 4th generation. And that maybe is something that may be fixed in a software update. And so it depends on whether you want volume, which is quite loud, or whether you want better sound. One final thing to be aware of is on the new generation, the 5th generation, there is no 3.5mm audio output, and that for some may be a big deal. Guys, that's it for this review. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it's been useful for you and you can choose which Echo Dot, if any, are the right ones for you. I'll see you on the next one.